Food storage, how long can you keep? Lobster, fresh, cooked, still in the shell. Refrigerate within 2 hours of cooking. Refrigerate cooked lobster in covered airtight containers or wrap tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic wrap. To freeze, place whole cooked lobsters in heavy-duty freezer bags or place in airtight plastic containers. Freezer time shown is for best quality only. Foods kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -17 degrees Celsius will keep safe indefinitely. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about.
And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our project.